this is Drew, and Drew is gonna sing Yoda. Sing Yoda. Sing the Yoda song.
Okay.
Go ahead, sing it.
Yoda, 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 Yoda.
Keep going. Now sing the mommy song.
Mommy, 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 mommy.
How about the Drew song?
Do.
How about the Owen song?
Oni.
How about the Alex song?
Ako.
How do you say his name? The Alex. How about the Daddy song?
Daddy.
How about Yoda?
Yoda.
Sing it.
No. I love to see that picture.
I sure will. Just sing the Yoda song one more time. Go ahead, sing it.
Yoda.
Alright.
That is enough, Daddy. That is enough.
That is? Okay, do you want to see the picture now? Alright. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Say I love you.
Love you.